One deserving student athlete from our area will be heading to college with some extra scholarship money thanks to a local home builder and remodeling contractor. Earlier this year, NEPA Builders sponsored a community-wide contest asking for nominations of PIAA District 2 student athletes who excel in the classroom as well as in sports.
Today, Pittston Area High School graduate Ava Callahan was surprised with a large $2,500 scholarship check from NEPA Builders owner Toby Grisenda. Ava was nominated by her parents, who were at the check presentation at the company's showroom in Eynon.
Ava was a standout in the classroom at Pittston Area, and she played on the basketball and softball teams, and that softball team went on to become state champions. And Ava was named first team all-state catcher. She's also involved in many community projects like raising money for pediatric cancer research.
We love to give back. We love to be involved with the community. We are the community, and so we're passionate. And I don't think there's a version of not continuing to do these things. And you look at Ava; she's the perfect person for this. She's worked so hard, and she deserves it. You work hard in life. You tell your kids as they're growing up in sports, this is going to translate to the rest of your life, and so this is a way that she gets to maybe see that a little bit.
I mean, it's such a great opportunity, and for all the kids to get more involved in their community, because this kind of stuff can happen, and it's just good to volunteer. You know what I mean? It's a big thing.
Ava plans to enter the nursing program at Wilkes University and hopes to eventually become an anesthesiologist.